My dear friend, as even you must be knowing by now, UPSC has just declared the final results for civil service exam. I am sad not to see your name there. I do remember you. There are my notes of your mock interview or for rest of the part whenever you did your course or ask questions during the classroom or like I said while counseling and sharing my feedback during the mock interview. I do not have a shade of a doubt that you deserve to clear. So I share your sadness. I am, believe me, at least as sad as you feel, if not more sad. This is how life works. This is how the competitive exam works. That is the whole logic. That sometimes, with the best of our preparations, with the best of our karma, we do not finally get the results that we thought we should get, that we were convinced we deserve those results, but somehow when the final results come up. I am into 36th year of like teaching and helping youngsters prepare for civil service exam. Every year at the time of especially this final result, one eye smiles while the other eye sheds a couple of tears, and this is projection of the whole life. This is how life is. I also understand that this may not be the moment to share all philosophical things with you, but there is hardly anything else. There is something more important I want to share with you, but I am with you at this moment. If age wise and attempt wise your attempts are still left, then take the results in your stride. Tell yourself there is always the next attempt, and 4th of October is coming. I hope you had filled up the form. Get going with it. Even this year, we have so many brilliant students who have cleared the exam at their last attempt. I remember those students, and they were not even ready to give the exam when last year's results had come out and they had not cleared. They were so frustrated that some of them started saying, now enough is enough, I am not giving this attempt. I remember another excellent student who has like is among the toppers this year, who shared his heart with me saying, sir, now abbas ho gaya. Many years of my young life I have spent, now I feel I have wasted them, abbas ho gaya. So I asked him, and his attempts were still left one last attempt. I said, please give it because you have nothing else to lose. What is the bad, what is the worst thing that can happen is once again you don't clear. We already have that, so we have nothing else to lose. He gave the exam, and I am happy to tell you that he is among top 20. He is among top 20 now. So I am not showing any rosy picture to you, but I am saying life is full of possibilities, and unfortunately this is how life is. If at the same time, unfortunately, this was your last attempt, I understand your grief. I have come across youngsters who gave like n number of attempts, and on finding that they did not clear, they were seriously dejected at a point of time. That is something I want to share with you. That in spite of not clearing the exam, that is one part of life, you have invested say 4, 5, 6, 8 years of your life, and that to young life, and your parents and close friends and relatives have looked up to you. That will not go anywhere. The wide and the deep knowledge you have gained is going to help you in many other fields now, whichever career you want to pursue. I promise you, if you want to discuss personally with me, I am all yours. But my friend, this is the nature of competitive exam, and this is the nature of life also. So let us focus on excellence of our karma. In fact, I dare say, let us focus on enjoying the excellence of our karma. There is an Urdu शेर ऐसे वक्त में बहुत काम आता है और मुझे ये पंक्ति बहुत ही पसंद है. द लाइन सेज, द शेर सेज, सितारों से आगे जहां और भी है. That our eyes are set on a particular goal, the sun, the moon, maybe. And somehow, when we fail to achieve it, we think we have lost everything. Then this Urdu शायर reminds us, सितारों से आगे जहां विश्व जहां और भी है. Life is greater than and life is better than competitive exam. I am sad, but I share your sadness and I look forward to great future for you that is waiting for you, my dear friend. All my best wishes for you and for your future. God bless you.